In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign in to your HubSpot CRM account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the top navigation menu, click on CRM, and then select Contacts. This will take you to your Contacts page where you can view and manage the records stored in your account. Next, open the contacts view that you want to export. This is important because HubSpot lets you export based on the specific view you're currently using. So if you've already filtered your contacts, those filters will affect the export. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct view before moving on. Now, select the contacts you want to export. If you only need certain records, choose those specific contacts. If you want everything shown in the current view, you can simply leave all contacts in that view selected. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you need a full list or just a smaller group. After that, click Export. HubSpot will open the Export Setup window. Here, enter or review the export name. Giving your file a clear name can make it much easier to identify later, especially if you export contacts regularly. Then choose your export file format. You'll usually see options like CSV, XLSX, or XLS. CSV is often the most universal option and works well with many systems, while Excel formats can be useful if you plan to review or edit the data in spreadsheet software. Next, select the language for the column headers. This controls how the field names appear in the exported file, so choose the language that makes the file easiest for you or your team to work with. If you want more control over the export, expand Customize. This section allows you to modify the export settings. Once you've adjusted anything you need, review the data that will be included in the export. This is a good final check to make sure the file contains exactly what you expect. When everything looks right, click Export again to confirm. HubSpot will then begin preparing your export file. Depending on the size of your contact list, this may take a few moments, so just give it a little time. Once the export is ready, open the Notification Center in HubSpot. You should see a notification letting you know the file has been generated. From there, download the exported contacts file to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully exported contacts from HubSpot CRM. Thanks for watching.